Welcome to Betty's Cooking Channel. Today I'm gonna do a frittata. I had all these eggs left over when I made the angel food cake, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the frittata today. So let me get started. Okay, it's my bowl over here. We'll go ahead and pour all these eggs in here. All right. That's about a couple eggs. Let me go ahead and beat those up. Okay, I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. I'm gonna add 2 cups of cheddar cheese. Okay, I'm gonna place this back in the refrigerator. I got a half a cup of spinach. It was frozen spinach. I squeezed all of the water out of it. So I'm gonna add that to my bowl here. I have 3 tablespoons of parsley. I'm gonna go ahead and add that in there. That's frozen parsley. When I buy my parsley, I just wash it and I put it in a freezer bag, and anytime I need parsley or cilantro, I just pull it out of the freezer. It's very easy to use it. It crumbles in your hand, so you don't have to worry about chopping it up or anything like that. So I'm gonna add some black pepper. That's about a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of yogurt. One more. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna add a pinch of cayenne pepper. We kind of like things kind of spicy. No, half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of chili powder, and a half a teaspoon of onion powder. Hope I didn't put that in there already. If not, just omit this one here. A pinch of cumin. Just a little cumin, okay? And there's one more ingredient, which is thyme. I'll go ahead and add some thyme to this. I would say about a 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Okay, and these are the ingredients. We hold the bowl. And that's our frittata. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray the pan here. Got a pan right there. Go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna place it in a 350-degree oven for about 30 minutes. Okay, there you have it. Okay, let me go ahead and place it in the oven. Okay, I just took the frittata out of the oven. It smells delicious. It looks delicious. So I'm gonna taste this. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and cut this frittata. It's been sitting for about 30 minutes. I want it to cool off some. Let me cut it. Oh, it looks so good. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and bite it. Let me adjust the camera here so you can see me. Oh, You can taste the spinach, cheddar cheese, the parsley, the eggs. Oh, it's delicious. Very good. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share this video with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.